Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix. We'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix my connection error when trying to log in into Snapchat account. If you're having trouble with connection error when trying to logging in into Snapchat, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Next, try logging in into your Snapchat account again. You'd be surprised how this simple trick does the job. Next, let's see if there's an update available for your app Snapchat on your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and then click on the option of Snapchat. Then see if there's an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you're using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, if the updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your settings app and then search for app. Scroll down until you see the option of Snapchat and then scroll down and click on the option of storage. Now on the bottom right of your phone, hit the option of clear cache. This clears out all the old data that might be causing issues. Now if none of these previous methods helped, go ahead and delete the app Snapchat from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. Now in many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems. I hope this video helped you get back into your Snapchat account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.